Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I would glad to encourage you to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified for my future upcoming recipe videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing a quick and easy recipe called Thai steamed fish. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, start by evenly mixing all the ingredients stated in a large bowl. The minced garlic, lime juice, sugar, salt, fish sauce, water, chilies, coriander leaves, and lemongrass. Next, smash the lemongrass using a mallet. This will release the fragrant aroma into the soup base. Then, slice it into small pieces using a pair of scissors. After that, transfer the cleaned red snapper fish into a heat-resistant casserole dish. Then, add in the soup mixture into the bowl while making sure that the cavity of the fish are filled with some of the ingredients. This step is to make sure that there is no fishy smell when it is cooked. Lastly, add in the slices of tomatoes. Boil some water in a wok with a metal steamer stand, and then place the dish on top of it. Cover and let the fish steam for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish are cooked. Serve it up with rice and enjoy this Thai steamed fish with your loved ones. Yum, delicious. Thank you friends for watching. I hope that you try out this recipe, and these are some recipe videos that I had uploaded. Do feel free to enjoy them. Take care and have a nice day.